Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to look at how MAP, Minimum Advertised Price violation alerts work. You can find this template within the marketplace. Now, let's see how the agent functions. First, we provide the agent with a product link. You can also design the agent to scrape the entire website. Once it visits the link, it scrapes the necessary data, such as the product's price, to be used for comparison. We pull the data from a Google Sheet. You can add as many entries as you'd like. For this demonstration, I've just added a few examples from the Amazon website. Here's the n8n template we're using. We have a full guide for it, and the name of the corresponding BrowserAct template is also available. I've added comments to each section, in case you need them. The workflow is simple. We get the data from the Google Sheet and send it into a loop, which will run the entire sequence of nodes for each individual item. Next is the BrowserAct node. You might not find this node in the default list because it's a community node, but I have a full video about it if you need help. All you need to do is pass the data you received from the Google Sheet into the BrowserAct node. The second node receives the task ID from the first one. Just make sure you have enabled the Wait for Task to Finished option. The code node's job is simple. It only separates the data and refines it for future use. Finally, in the last part, we validate the data. If the data is invalid, we send an error message to Slack. Then, we check the price, and if it violates the MAP policy, we send an alert to the appropriate Slack channel. Also, don't forget to add all the credentials for Sheets, Gemini, Slack, and BrowserAct. I've created a test Slack channel so you can see the notifications we receive. Remember, you are free to customize every part of this workflow as you wish. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you later.